So before benchmarks, I'll be sort of unboxing this Xeon 5460, the Xeon 5460. This is essentially a modified Xeon 5460, which has got a notch cut by the vendor before selling it, so that I can actually fit it into a normal 775 socket. Otherwise, either I will have to cut the notch on the processor, or will have to remove the notch from the socket itself. So this is the processor. I think they have sent a different processor. I bought 5460 at 3.16 gigahertz, and what they have sent is 5430 at 2.66 gigahertz. So I'll have to report this to DealExtreme, from where I bought this processor. Alright guys, thank you for watching.